Hi, I'm Ben and I'm here to talk to you about the Mondopad Ultra. Video conferencing is an ever-changing landscape and I'm here today to show you the latest technology and how it can work with you regardless of what platform you're using. The big lie in video conferencing has been that you can use anything with anything. That any software that you use will be able to connect to anything else. I think almost every single customer that I talk to on a daily or weekly basis has made a financial investment to something that commits them to a certain path, doesn't allow them to change anything else. There's a lot of really good products on the market, like Microsoft or Cisco, that make incredible screens, but there's genuinely nothing as open as this device. So platform agnostic from Mondopad Ultra basically means that you can use any application that you may want. Because it's running on a Windows 10 platform, means that if you want to change your video conferencing software that you're using, or move from using Android to Apple, from Mac to PC, it will be able to fit in with whatever you're doing. It makes your meeting rooms a lot simpler. It will fit in with any audio or even any camera technology that you use. IT people, CTOs, CIOs are really sick of having to create IT strategy based on hardware that they've already bought. You can buy a Mondopad Ultra and be using Connex right now and move to Zoom, or then use WebEx or Teams. And the board is designed to move wherever you do.